Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you like what you see here, consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and be sure and ring that notification bell if you do that. So I got a really good one for you here today. We are going to check out this 84 model Coachmen Motor Home on a Toyota chassis. This is Rock and this is Shay. They have been restoring this cute little motorhome for about a year now, right guys?
Yeah.
And they have done a lot of work. This thing looks fantastic. Can't wait to show you. I'm gonna run you around the outside real quick and then we'll go inside. That's where all the magic's at, inside. This thing is amazing. I think you're going to enjoy this. I hope so. So let's get started. All right, to you guys, it may not look like there's been a lot of work done on the outside, but there has. All the lights on the whole motorhome, except for the front lights on the motorhome, have been changed to LEDs. All the aluminum trim has been changed to black. New rubber roof. They have added an electric Lippert awning. They have done an outside kitchen. The diamond plate around the bottom is all new. Got a cooktop here under the awning. Of course, that was not original. All LED lights on the back. It does have the backup camera now. It has been upgraded to the tankless water heater. The inside's just gorgeous. Somebody took care of this thing. It may have been garage kept or something. I'm not sure. It's really nice inside. Of course, it's got your Crown Royal shifter boot, because why not, right? Of course, the stereo has been upgraded to modern stuff. Subwoofers. So pretty nice stereo system. It has white face gauges. Yeah, that's pretty. That's just gorgeous inside. Wow, that's really nice. We just showed you the stereo system. It's also been upgraded to exterior speakers. Those didn't come on a motorhome in 1984. Of course, the LED lights under the awning. Now, I think Miss Shay is going to take us inside and she's going to show us the inside. This is y'all going to be shocked, I believe, because I was. This thing's gorgeous inside. Now it is pretty tight space in here, so I'll try and get you guys the best views that I can. So what we got going on here, Shay?
Rocky put a new panel in here for the lights, the hot water temperature, and the heated floors.
Heated floors? Yes, it has heated floors?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Had to have the heated floors.
Does the old monitor panel work?
Yes,
it does.
Yes, it does.
Well, it didn't hardly work back in 1984. So I'm sure there was some work done there.
So the battery gauge still works. The water pump still works, turns the water on. We should have water.
Modern single stem
faucet. Pull down.
All the modern conveniences.
The tank test gauge still works. Black tank just don't have nothing in it. hot water tank.
Yeah, that's for the
That's
tank,
for the
tankless water heater. Yeah. Now I don't believe this is all 1984 either, is it?
No, so I put in the new gauge panel. It's got a power port for the awning, power awning, retract, awning light, outside speakers, original porch light, tank heaters. It's got tank heaters on the fresh water and the black tank. These are 2 extra switches. These are going to be for my underbody lights because I'm going to car show this. And then this is for the alien lights in here.
Yes. Now, Shay, the cabinets, are they original?
They're original, and Rocky refaced them.
Refaced them.
Yes, sir.
Now I also noticed that my head's not rubbing on the ceiling. How's that possible?
He raised the roof.
He raised the roof.
Yes, he did.
He said, whoop, whoop. How much did he raise the roof?
2 inches.
2 inches. Yeah, because I worked on one of these back in the day, and you had to kind of crouch through them.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah. We redid the chairs, reupholstered the chairs here. Did all the sewing.
Yeah.
The curtains.
You did all the sewing for the curtains?
Yes.
You remade curtains?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Panel here. We put the new couch in. Shades.
Day-night shades. Yeah. With new valances.
Yes, we did those too.
Yeah. You made the valances.
Yes.
All LED lights.
Yep.
All LED lights, and the ones in the ceiling are recessed. Now the walls and the ceilings don't look original either.
No, those are new.
It's all new. All new
He
paneling.
replaced all the paneling.
And the ceiling paneling. That's why the lights are recessed now. Because back in the day, you would have had lights hanging down to bump your head on.
Yeah, everything was yellow and orange. when we came in here.
Yellow and orange. Yeah. Yeah, the early 80s. Yeah, you had 2 colors of motorhome. Yellow, or orange and green.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, all RVs were orange or green.
Yeah.
Any work up here in the bunk area, Shay?
He took the entire front end off.
Yeah.
Redid all the stud work.
All new paneling.
All new insulation, all new
Yeah.
paneling,
All the stud work. Yep.
all the stud work all the way back.
Cause all Class C's, the bunk rot out, right?
Yeah, it was sagging when it came.
Yep. I bet. Added fantastic fan. That's a nice upgrade. It will be getting an air conditioner soon, a roof air. Because it's still a work in progress. They added TV, and then it's already pre-wired for the air conditioner and for some solar. Did you just put, is that plexiglass with, so because you replaced all the paneling in here, that's how you were able to raise the roof, and it doesn't show in here, which is
That's
fantastic idea.
That's also how the speakers outside are integrated outside. Everything's inside the walls. There's no wires. You open up any of the cabinets, there's no wires inside any of the cabinets.
Yeah.
You go down here.
Rebuild all the inside of the cabinets
Yeah,
too.
this is going to be from underbodies. That's going to drop out. Everything underneath's been rebuilt. It's got road maps on the backs of the doors.
Oh,
Let's get that up. The drop-in step.
the stove is the only original appliance left.
This and
Wow.
then the sink bowl and the sink in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Everything else is new though.
Yeah, we're getting to the bathroom, folks. The old gas absorption refrigerator used to be here. Probably the cabinet went all the way to the ceiling, didn't it, right?
Yep.
So we took it out, added a microwave, and of course redone that whole cabinet with the matching countertops, and put an electric refrigerator right here. All right, now, what you been waiting for? Let's go to the bathroom. Of course, it's a wet bathroom, but again, a fantastic fan, all LED lights. The sink is original. The paneling in here, I was just informed, is original. It's 1984 and it looks cool. It just sets the bathroom off, I think. New modern commode. The shower pan is original, the sink is original, 2 pieces of paneling, and the kitchen sink, the stove, the range hood, but there's not a lot of original. I'm sure the clock's original.
Clock's original.
Yeah.
It just looked too cool.
Yeah, they used to do that back in the day.
Easy close slide on your drawers.
Are those soft close? Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there you have it, folks. 1984 Coachmen Motor Home on a Toyota chassis. Now, back in the day, these things were all over the road. I mean, you've seen them all the time, and you may be in a part of the country where they don't rot out so bad, and you may still see them, but you won't see one as nice as this, I bet, because these guys have done a fantastic job restoring this, saving some history, some RV history. I think it's awesome. You guys have anything you want to add at all? No. Nope. They got a lot of words. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I had taking it and seeing this little motor home. I've been looking forward to doing this video for a year now, because Rock's buddy of mine, he's told me about this for probably more than a year ago. He was going to do it. He wanted me to wait until he got it pretty near finished before we done the walkthrough, and I was really excited when he said, hey, I'm ready. So y'all get ready, get down in that comment section, let me know if you'd like to see more content like this. If you do, I'll try my best to do it, but don't forget to leave me a comment, a criticism, a concern, and I'm gonna go up and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.